Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to enable voice chat in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. First, what you're going to do here is you have to go to your Roblox, go to your settings. If you go to communication or privacy and maturity, you should see here under communication a voice chat feature where you can enable your voice chat. However, if your age is not yet verified, then you cannot see that feature or you cannot enable voice chat in Roblox. So all you have to do or all you need to do is to verify your age by tapping on verify age and begin verifying. Now, next here is you have to select your country, tap on next, and then select that ID that you need to submit. And you should have this ID with you because what you're going to do here is you have to get your phone and you have to scan this QR code and continue your verification using your phone. So you must have your QR code scanner on your device and you need to scan this QR code right here. So point your camera to this QR code and then it will take you directly to the site where you can continue your verification. All you have to do is to submit the photo or a valid photo and then take a selfie. Now, once they have recognized you that you are the one who is the owner of that ID and you are on the proper age to play Roblox, then they will verify your age. Once your age is verified, you can now go back to your Roblox account, go to privacy and maturity, go to communication, and you should see this voice chat right here. And in order for you to enable this, just turn this one on. And then you have to enable voice chat right here so that you can communicate with your friends here on Roblox. So that's how you enable voice chat in Roblox. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.